Here we are on page 2 of the semester review. We're going to start by finding the slope between some points. Remember, our formula for finding slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Plugging into that formula, I get 22 minus 8 over 12 minus 5. Simplifying, I'm going to get 14 over 7, which simplifies to 2. Doing the same thing with this one, I have negative 5 minus 3 over negative 2 minus negative 6. On the bottom here, I have two negatives, which makes a positive. On top, I get negative 8 over 4 is negative 2. For question number 3, if I'm using the same formula again, I get 1 minus 1 on the top, and on the bottom I get 11 minus 8, so I get 0 over negative 3. That's a slope of 0, which is a horizontal line. Moving on down to question number 4. Here they're giving us a point and a slope, and they want us to find the slope-intercept form. Since they give us a point and a slope, we're going to plug into point-slope form. So I'm going to have y minus y1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x1. Simplifying that, I get y minus 1 equals 3x minus 12. Adding 1 to both sides, I get y equals 3x minus 11. For question number 5, we're doing the same process again, so I'm going to take y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. Again, we have two negatives here. We're just going to make that a positive. So I get y minus 2 equals 1/2 x plus 3. Adding 2 to both sides gives me y equals 1/2 x plus 5. Down here we're given 2 points, 2, 7 and 1, 4, and asked to come up with the equation. So the first thing we need to do is do the slope. So I'm going to take 4 minus 7, and on the bottom I get 1 minus 2, and so I get negative 3 over negative 1 is 3. That's my slope. Then I'm going to plug it into point-slope form using the first point here. So y minus y1 equals the slope, which is 3, we just found that, times the quantity of x minus x1. Simplifying, I get y minus 7 equals 3x minus 6. Adding 7 to both sides gives me y equals 3x plus 1. Same process over here. We need to find the slope first, so I'm going to go with 3 minus 0 over negative 5 minus negative 4. Two negatives makes a positive on the bottom, so I get 3 over negative 1, which is negative 3. I'm going to plug that into point-slope form, so I'm going to go with y minus y1, that's the 0, equals negative 3 times the quantity x minus x1. Changing the two negatives again, and simplifying, I get negative 3x minus 12.